right, so here we are at Asbury United Methodist Church. We've just laid out all the blocks for Ukraine. It took a youth group and then us, so they're all there, and we will start the sew-ins this week. So that is all the blocks. I can't get my phone to go closer, so I'll try to get you closer in some pictures. Somebody know how to make this? I don't think it'll, see, it's live. Oh, there we go. Ooh. So we've got Kim and Joanne here. Joanne here. So these are the blocks. Can you do it again? Oh yeah, there you go. These are the blocks all laid out from all over our country, all for the Ukraine quilts. Lots and lots and lots and lots of blocks. Believe me, it's amazing. 1,300 blocks or more.
If people miss their solid ones.
The solid ones we didn't lay out, but they are here and they will be in the quilt, so no worries about that. And Roxanne gave us a wool applique one. It's not down there, Roxanne, but it definitely will be in one too. We just didn't want to lay it out on the floor. So these are all the blocks that you guys have made, and look what happens when we all pull together. This is what happens. So talk to you later. Thanks again for all your help. Join us sew in. Tuesday's the first one at Smiley's Ice Cream. We'll be giving you patterns. Hey, and if you're local here and you want to just come and pick up some blocks and make your own pattern, that would be great too. We'll be kind of trying to sort them as we pick them up right now, but you're more than welcome. And these will be our absolute best work because they will go into auction, and the auction will be raising money for Ukraine children through the UNICEF Fund. So, I don't know about your Sunday, but mine has been a wonderful day. Hope yours has too. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.